Have you ever looked at a big project and wondered when you should start? Breaking a task into steps can help. Let's work through an example. Here's a history presentation that's due in a few weeks. A project like this can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to begin. So the first thing I'm going to ask myself is, what's one small thing I can do soon? Something easy to begin. Choosing a topic feels like a good place to start. But don't stop there. The real value comes from deciding when you'll do each step. So now I'm going to think about the other steps I'll need. I'll need to find some sources, create an outline, build my slides, practice the presentation, and do a final review before it's due. You don't have to figure out every step immediately. Start with the steps that are already clear. You can always add more later. Now that I've broken the project into steps, it's easier to see what needs to be done. But there's still something important missing. When am I going to do each step? One last tip, that first easy step should happen soon. Pick a date in the next few days, so it's easy to get started. So now I'm going to work backwards from the deadline. If the presentation is due on May 15th, I probably want time for a final review before then, say 2 days. Before I can do a final review, I'll need to practice the presentation. I'll need a few days for that too. The same idea applies to all the other steps. Think about how much time you'll need and work backwards from the deadline. As I add these dates, I'm turning the project into a plan, and dots appear on the timeline for each step. That way, I'm not just deciding what needs to be done, I'm deciding when I'll do it. I can now see all the smaller goals leading up to my project, instead of one big, overwhelming task. And if my plan changes, that's okay. I can always adjust the dates later. When I know what's coming, it's much easier to get started. I just have to focus on the next step.